What's up guys, Fixbricks coming back at you with another how to build video. Today we're building Toepick, one of Ben's most unique aliens. If you keep up to date on my social media platforms, you might know I made PDF instructions for this guy a little while back on Rebrickable, but I know many of you prefer the video instructions, so this is the best time to do this. If you have a Rebrickable account, be sure to give me a follow over there since something special will be dropping by the end of this year. To go along with these galactic monsters, I put Toepick side by side with my custom Benzaro minifigure, who I showcased in a YouTube short and on my Instagram. If you want to see more Purist showcases, drop a comment down below and let me know. Also, a good percentage of you guys are not subscribed, and I'd love to see you all around here more often. So be sure to hit like and press that big red button. That out of the way, let's get on to the video. There you have it, guys, how to build Toepick. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.